if you don't know me yet, my name is Ingrida and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Makeup Revolution Essential Eye Brush Set. I haven't tested out any of Makeup Revolution brushes yet, believe it or not, although I do love Makeup Revolution a lot. You've probably seen me reviewing loads of their products, and it's because it's a cruelty-free and vegan brand. So humongous thumbs up just for that. So this brush set, it retails for £10 and it includes 6 brushes. I mean 5 brushes and the lash separator. It's not really a brush, but you know, we can call it a brush. I'm not wearing any makeup yet because I'm gonna be applying my makeup today using these brushes. So to begin with, brushes feels so nice. It's so soft to touch. So we got in here the angled brow brush used to line eyes as well as shape and fill brows. This looks actually perfect. So we got the brow brush, very handy. I'll be definitely using this. Then we got a flat eyeshadow brush used to apply eyeshadow to the entire eyelid. Then we have a crease used to create a contoured or smoky effect. The shape of the brush allows easy application and blending of the eyeshadow at the eye socket, like this one so far. And the fine liner brush looks perfect to do eyeliner. And then just a shading brush used to create a dramatic or subtle eye look with this diverse brush. Flexible bristles allows for easy application and buildable coverage. This is actually very similar to the Real Technique shading brush. Very similar. And the last one is a lash separator used to separate lashes by brushing from root to tip and upwards motion. So it's metal. Again, very similar to the Real Techniques one. So always start my makeup routine from doing my eyebrows. So today I'm going to use, as we're reviewing the Makeup Revolution products, I'm going to use the Revolution Pro Eyebrow Cushion in the color Chocolate, and I'm going to go with this brow brush. Okay, so the brush so far feels really nice actually. Oh wow, okay. So I finished my makeup look and I used mostly these Essential Eye Brush set by Makeup Revolution. And honestly guys, I am surprised how good it is. I can't false it. It's super soft to begin with. I mean, you need to touch it to know exactly what I'm talking about because it's just, yeah. I haven't used this lash separator as I didn't really needed one today, so can't say anything about it yet. I mean, I can't false it or I can't say if it's good or not. But from the way it looks very good, very durable and all. It'll definitely be handy too. I just didn't need that one today, unfortunately. I used this one to do the eyeliner part, as this is the essential pack. Basically, the basic eyeshadow brush set. It doesn't really have the detailed brushes or anything like that, like this one. So I used this one for the inner eye corner liner, but these are very handy. This one I used for the crease part. Yeah, I can't fail these. Use this one for blending the shadow and that worked perfectly. Haven't used this one. This one was a little bit too big for me today to use because it's like big and fluffy. So this one is good for overall color on the lid if you want to go for like a smoky eye or something like that. But it didn't work for my makeup look today, but it definitely great brush to have. So all of these brushes and this lash separator, great tools to have in your makeup kit, especially if you are new to the makeup or you don't really do your makeup often. That's more than enough for you to own. And this brush you can use for the eyebrows, as you've seen me doing eyebrows before, or for the eyeliner as well. For the, you know, lid part, it's perfect to do this. I don't know if I can talk more about it because I can't false it. It's super affordable. I mean, $10 for a whole pack for 5 brushes. So thumbs up from me, you guys. I definitely recommend. As I mentioned, especially if you're beginner, you don't use makeup too often, that's gonna be more than enough for you to have. All of these brushes, to be honest, are multitasking brushes. With all brushes in general, talking about any brand, it doesn't necessarily need to be used for the thing they say to be used to. For example, this brush could be perfect for the nose contour. Oh my god, why didn't I thought about that earlier? Or even this one actually, or to set the setting powder under the eyes or do the concealer. All of the brushes are multitasking brushes, so don't just take one brush and say this is for blending only. No, you can just, yeah, be creative. By the way, have you tried any of the Makeup Revolution brushes yet? Because that was for me first time and I am impressed. well done revolution, and let me know what you would like to see next in my video. And if you enjoyed watching this super quick review tutorial kinda ish, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. I would really appreciate that if you would press that button and subscribe. Honestly guys, you don't even know, I will love you forever. And I shall see you soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day guys. Bye!